Hi everyone, welcome back to Orca Camp Tours Vancouver Island YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and like and share our video. Today we're going to talk about how to pack a dry bag and what are dry bags actually for. First of all, I'd like to mention there's multiple types of dry bags. So if you are keen on buying a little bit more quality, you will go a longer ways. Watch the ones who are for cheap and you are going to go kayaking more often or be outdoors where it can get wet. You don't want to end up with any rips or tears in a dry bag. In our company, we do like to hand out prior your trip. You can lend one of these dry bags from MEC. This is a 10-liter dry bag. They come in different sizes, so usually we hand out a 20-liter dry bag, so all your clothes should fit in here, and then any extras such as your books, a light rain jacket, or your phones and whatnot, they fit in a 10-liter dry bag. Well, let's just dive right into it, and I'll show you how to use a dry bag. So this is my clothes bag, and I'm just going to open it up, give it a little shake. And then I'm just going to grab my clothes. I've got some pants here. I'm going to put that in there. I've got some more shirts, sweaters, stuff it all in there. And you are more than welcome, if you're a neat and tidy person, to roll it all up and iron it before you stuff it in there. But out of my experience, the best way it works, if it's all kind of like tucked in all around the bag, so you don't have big air bubbles in your dry bag. Let's just grab another t-shirt. Try to stay away from cotton if you go on sea kayaking adventures. Okay, and then here we go. So you're just gonna grab the top here, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3 at least, and see how it bubbled up on me like that. So you want to avoid having all that air in there, because most likely if you do go kayaking and whatnot, you will looking for lots of space. So what you're going to do in this one, I will show you just a sec. So once you have your dry bag already, you are going to push the air out as much as you can. If it's a bigger dry bag, we do like to use our upper body, and you can like push it out. And as you can see now, all air is out. And you got it rolled, folded up 3 times, and then you just click it in. And then there is your waterproofed dry bag with all your clothes, socks, and whatnot. And what are actually dry bags for? Dry bags are meant to keep your clothes, medication, everything important you will have to bring on a kayaking tour to keep it dry. Not just keeping it dry while you're putting it into your kayak, if you go on day tours or multi-day tours, but also on days like transfers where you are moving from your vehicle to your company's vehicle, transfers on boats, or anything where there might be some rain involved. You don't want to have just a regular luggage bag, which is not waterproofed, or at least water resistant, just in case it does start to rain, because by the time you get to your destination of your camp or your start of your multi-day tour, you don't want to start your trip with wet clothes. So that's one reason. And then the other one is obviously when you go on multi-day sea kayaking expeditions, from day one, from minute one, you are leaving shore, you want to make sure that all your belongings are packed into dry bags. Again, they have them in multiple sizes, colors, shapes, and forms. We do like to stick with Mountain Equipment Coop. They've been treating us very well for the last 16 years. But if you look around and you find something, some have like little windows in there so you can see what you have packed actually, so you don't have to dig too deep for your socks or whatnot. So yeah, I hope this helped a little bit, how to pack a dry bag. You guys stay dry out there. Happy pre-holiday season, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Take care, you guys. Until soon.